Today unboxing is on the recent TLV Tomicarama release, and this is based on the Bridgestone's tire shop, and I'm happy that the 10k giveaway shout out is coming. I promise all of you this is never going away, and since we are in the second phase through the pandemic, I think this will be an appropriate time for the giveaway. To my new and loyal subscriber, simply subscribe to my channel, watch the full videos and comment, and I will select and give a shout out to the subscriber who interact in my channel. It's a really small token, and I'll announce the giveaway very soon in my upcoming videos to more than one subscriber. And now let's take a closer look at the Bridgestone tire shop for the Tomicarama series. The structure is totally identical to the Yokohama tire shop which I showcased earlier. If you missed the video, you can always click on the card above. This includes the identical accessories that comes along with it. It's just a different theme. The structure for this Tomicarama has been around for years. It has always remained the same, but they sold extremely well and extremely fast. That's why there's always a demand for this Tomicarama, and they always come with new theme. The instruction is included, but I don't think you need it. Additional decal for the facade and banners, which I'm not going to apply. The same structure as always, with just a different theme. Identical car leaf as the Yokohama tire shop, which I'll use that for the feature. Signages unique to Bridgestone. Identical wheels, identical accessories, figurine included with just a different color. Alright, the setup is complete. It's very easy to set up. The only hassle is to assemble the rack for the wheel set. Structure wise, it's pretty standard and very expected. But this Tomicarama gives a totally different theme and a much more variety for your diorama setup, including the settings, as well as built on various themes. One of the signages come in loose. I don't understand why, but I guess Tommy Tech is trying to cut down on joint parts. The identical car leaf as the Yokohama tire shop is pretty versatile. Height is adjustable, including the expandable base in my term. I will place this inside the workshop. Throughout the years, TLV has been consistently roll out realistic minifigures. They balance very well and looks fantastic on close-up. Same pose as the Yokohama tire shop with just a different outfit. The tire rack is also identical to the Yokohama tire shop. Looks great with the Tomicarama, especially for photoshoot. Next is the Bridgestone Mazda Porter Cab. It's totally identical to the two earlier released, the A and B, in a different color scheme without the company logo. Looking awesome, and what's included is also spare tires. I really like the color scheme for this cute little Mazda Porter Cab. The livery includes the Bridgestone's logo, which the logo design is based on the 70s. Consistent corporate colors. And I really love the liveries on the front. It really reminds me of those of a Volkswagen. Casting itself, it looks really kawaii, really retro. Although the Porter Cab looks small and nifty, I think it can carry quite a lot of items. And TLV did a fantastic job on this Porter Cab. I really love the workmanship, including the attention to details on this small casting, not forgetting the flawless attention given to the base, together with a spare wheels. I have quite a couple of mini trucks in my TLV collection. This is definitely one of my favorite. I think it's very cute. The kawaii and realism factor is there. This Mazda Porter Cab looks great with the Tomicarama. Too bad it doesn't come in a set. Looks awesome with the TLV Subaru Legacy, and I have no doubt this setting will look fantastic with other mini car brands. Stay tuned for more TLV unboxing, and remember to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thanks everyone, bye!